Hey everyone, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Beyond the Numbers. So I have a question for you guys. Do you currently work with a financial advisor, or are you thinking of hiring one, but maybe you're not sure where to start? Or maybe you're not even sure exactly what kind of advisor is going to be right for you and your situation. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the 3 mistakes that people make when choosing their financial advisor. So stay tuned. My name is Kristoffer Fu, and I am a certified private wealth advisor consultant and a certified financial planner professional. I am the founder and CEO of Maven Bridge Capital, which is a wealth management company based in Southern California in Orange County. Our mission here at Maven Bridge Capital is to serve families and business owners and help them build generational wealth. Now, we accomplish this through our holistic planning process and our purpose-driven investment philosophies. Now, we believe that the cornerstone of our success stems from having an awareness that if we can educate our clients on all things related to their finances, then we believe that they will be empowered to make the right decisions that ultimately will lead them to achieving and reaching their financial goals. Now, throughout my career, I've had the privilege of helping all of our amazing families, some of whom never worked with a financial advisor until they met me. Now, this usually had happened because of a significant life change that happened, such as the passing of a loved one or reaching that incredible milestone of retirement that we're all seeking. While others whom I've worked with had prior experiences with other advisors and, for whatever reason, decided to make a change. Now, regardless of whether they had no experience or some experience with an advisor, I always like to ask them, why are you looking to change advisors? Or why have you never worked with a financial advisor before? Now, I do this only to get a better sense of ultimately where they are coming from. So consequently, after asking these questions countless times, I've come to realize that there are 3 common reasons, call it apprehensions or even mistakes, that people make when it comes to working with a financial advisor, and I'm going to share those with you right now. So I've been asked countless times by friends and family, hey Chris, what do you do as a financial advisor? Wait, you're also a financial planner, right? What's the difference? So after getting asked these questions countless times, I started asking myself, I wonder if everyone else out there is as confused about what is a financial advisor and what is a financial planner. So after doing some countless hours of research on Google, turns out Google says yes, based on all the endless articles out there trying to explain the difference between the two. So, what is a financial planner? A financial planner is essentially a financial professional who can help you create a very comprehensive strategy for your overall financial life. That financial planner will typically gather a lot of your financial information so that they can help you with every single aspect of your money management life, such as budgeting, college planning, retirement, and so on. Now, when you work with a financial planner, you're going to be undergoing a thorough fact-finding process, and they do this so that they can ensure to provide you with comprehensive financial advice that you're looking for. There may be some planners that focus on specific areas such as investing, retirement planning, estate planning, or other areas. However, they will still typically provide you recommendations to tackle all areas of your financial plan. So, not to confuse you even more, but financial planners may also act as financial advisors. And they do this by providing you with specific investment advice. Now, they may even offer to help you manage your investments on your behalf. Additionally, if a financial planner offers certain products or services such as investment management or life insurance, keep in mind they do need to be licensed to recommend those products to you. Because planners can also have a specific area of focus, be sure to work with one that aligns with your top priorities. Additionally, there are planners who hold designations, such as the CFP, Certified Financial Planner, and the CHFC, Chartered Financial Consultant. In order to obtain these designations, planners must complete different sets of education requirements, pass examinations, and meet certain work history requirements. And they're also required to complete continuous ongoing education to maintain those designations. So, what is a financial advisor? A financial advisor is basically a very broad term for a financial professional who can help you manage your money. They can include financial planners, as we just discussed, but they can also include insurance agents, estate planners, private bankers, tax professionals, stockbrokers, and a whole lot more. Now, do you get why it's such a broad term? So, financial advisors do not always act as financial planners, giving you that holistic approach to your finances, but they can specialize in certain areas which could be beneficial if that is something that you're looking for. Like financial planners, advisors need to be licensed to sell investment products and services as well as insurance policies. Planners and advisors typically get paid in similar fashion. Bottom line, if you're looking for help with your finances, both a financial planner and a financial advisor can really help you. But those terms are often used interchangeably and not always the same. So, to help you decide which financial professional is right for you, start off by thinking, what are your financial goals and what are your needs? Knowing whether you want much more of a comprehensive approach to your plan, or if you just need help with a specific area, can really help you narrow down your decision. Also, make sure you take the time to vet different professionals. But ultimately, working with a planner or an advisor is like having a quarterback on your team. We're here to help you move in the right direction towards your financial goals. But also make sure you do your due diligence and find the right one that fits your situation. The second mistake that you can make is not fully understanding all of the fees and or commissions that you will be paying for your financial advisor's services. Unfortunately, this could lead to very bad experience for you and overall a bad outcome. This can also cause, unfortunately, a lot of apprehension in people if they're already on the fence about hiring an advisor in the first place. Not understanding fees or costs is a big reason why many people decide not to hire an advisor in the first place, which is very unfortunate because, again, our goal is to help you guys reach your financial freedom. Now, as I mentioned earlier, financial advisors and financial planners have similar ways in which they get paid for their services. You have fee-only advisors. With this approach, you will pay a fee for their services, typically at an hourly rate, but it also could be an annual rate. There are commission-based advisors. If the advisor is getting paid purely a commission, you usually don't have to pay to consult with that advisor. But keep in mind, they will charge you a commission for trades and or different products that they recommend when they manage your investments. A fee-based advisor is paid from a mix of fees and commissions, which can be an annual base fee based off of assets that they're managing for you, and also include commissions for products being recommended. So when deciding to work with a particular advisor, make sure you ask questions about how they get paid for their services. Understanding how the advisor gets paid is one important factor that you need to know, and it will ultimately help you decide if that advisor is going to be the right quarterback for you. Now, the third mistake that you can make is not understanding all of the services and offerings your financial advisor provides. I've met some folks in the past who were expecting to get certain services from their advisor, only to find out later that their advisor actually didn't offer those services that they were hoping to get help with. Now, on the other end, I will admit that early in my career, I had a client tell me that they needed help with a certain financial related issue and ended up getting help from another institution. And I asked them, well, wait, hey, we offer those same services here. And they say, you know what, Chris, we had no idea. So you can be sure that after that experience, I make it a point to let every single new family that I help them understand all of the services that I offer, even if they may not need it at the time, because at least that way they know, and you never know when they might need it. So this also goes back to that first mistake that we talked about. If you're looking for more of that broad and holistic help, you want to make sure that the advisor you're considering offers those services. Don't make the mistake by assuming that they do just because they have financial advisor written on their business card. If you need help with investment management only, and you're considering working with a financial planner, you want to make sure that they can offer those services and, more importantly, are licensed to do so. So by understanding all of the services and offerings available to you, I believe it can give you peace of mind knowing that your advisor will be able to assist you with the needs today and your needs in the future. Now, another common thing that I hear is, people often receive referral advice from their friends, their family, saying, my advisor just recommended this great product. It's going to get me this much income or this much return. You got to put your money into it, Chris. Or on the other end of the spectrum, my advisor put me in this horrible product. It has a lot of fees. I don't understand it. Make sure you never put your money in there. Now, I know your friends are coming from a good place, but you have to remember that your friends, your families, their financial situation, what their needs are, what their goals are completely different from yours. So their experience may not reflect what you need in your life. So if you're ready to hire a financial advisor, ready to make a change, or maybe contemplating if you need to hire a financial advisor, the best thing you can do is do your homework. Start by writing down all of your financial goals. Then think about and strategize how will you go about accomplishing them. If at some point you decide you could really use the help of an advisor, well then at that point make sure you interview a few different ones and ask a lot of questions. Do they have qualifications such as a CFP, CHFC, CFA or CPA, etc.? Working with an advisor who has qualifications can potentially make a very positive difference, since obtaining these professional designations means that that individual has demonstrated a very serious commitment to their profession. Ask if the advisor is held to a fiduciary standard. This requires us to put your interest above our own and above our company. It's important to know that not all individuals who hold themselves as financial advisors are required to meet this fiduciary standard of care, so make sure that's something that you understand. Again, make sure you have a full understanding of their services, their fees, what they specialize in, and also ask about their process and investment philosophy. Your advisor should be able to clearly communicate to you their process of what they do and how they go about doing it. Understanding their process can really help you determine if they'll be able to help you meet your financial goals and all of the objectives that you have. Above all of this, trust your intuition, trust your gut. If you're not feeling connected or like what you're hearing, go interview, go find another advisor. Your advisor will be your closest financial relationship probably for many, many years. And they ultimately can make the difference between you having financial worries in life or hopefully financial peace of mind throughout your life. I hope this information is helpful for you guys. If this is information that you think can be helpful to others, please pass it along. I know they'll greatly appreciate it. And please also go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can be notified of all future videos that we release of Beyond the Numbers. So for more information as well on Maven Bridge Capital, please visit us at mavenbridgecapital.com. You can also find us on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Again, thank you guys so much for taking the time. I hope you guys find this information useful. I hope it helps you guys understand the differences between a financial advisor and planner. And hopefully you guys don't make those same 3 mistakes that we just talked about. Thank you guys so much.